Okay, today we are going to explore burl and how to get the bark off. If you can get the bark off the burl, it looks really cool like that, or for example like this piece. These were debarked naturally by me just leaving the wood outside for 4 or 5 years because I couldn't get to it and I didn't even really know it was burl and it was in my firewood pile. So I found that and got extremely lucky. This is a piece of burl that I harvested in my other video where I jump on my tractor and run down the road and grab it. So I think this is a box elder, and it's been sitting in a bin with some water in it for about a year. I was trying to spalt it, and I didn't officially spalt it with official spalting pieces, but I think I got some spalting lines in it, or at least some color, some flavor, or something. But I want to try and get the bark off this to see if I can get down to the spikes. So I read everything I could read, pick it off with dental picks, smash it with a hammer, and then pick it off, power wash it, soak it in water, dry it back out, take the bark off in the spring when you fell the tree in the spring. All these different options. I'm going to start with power washing this and then maybe soak it. Or I have another piece over there from the same tree that I may soak. So we're going to do an experiment. This will probably take me a couple days, but let's see if we can figure out which technique works best. So stick around, let's go power wash this. Okay, now I just went to my bin and I found this piece. It's been sitting in the same bin I was trying to spalt, and I'm going to soak it. I'm going to put it in water for 24 hours. Warning with doing that, this is not dry, it's not really wet. It does have some cracks in it, so I'm aware of that. I know the integrity of the wood is going to need to be stabilized, it's going to need to be cast, or both, which I like doing. So we're going to soak this one for 24 hours, see what happens with the bark. Okay, this is day 2 of my experiment. This log, for the most part, has been soaking for 24 hours. And we're going to get the power washer out and try and get the bark off. As it is, it doesn't seem like the bark just wants to just come off without some influence, but we did, like I say, soak it. And the power washer worked yesterday, so this is just to see if it works any easier. Power washer, check. Log, check. Hose on, check. Sunglasses, no. Safety glasses, check. Gloves, no. Dang it, forgot something. Anyway, this is less fun than you would actually imagine, but we're gonna just power through it. The power washer. Ah! Alright, so yeah, now we're done with that. I soaked it for 24 hours and the bark, yes, quote unquote, came right off. Well, I don't know if soaking it helped much, but the power washer definitely gets most of it off. I missed some here, but that's just because it was rolling around on me. I'm doing this in February in Utah. It is freezing out here. Alright, well, here's the burl. It's been a year, maybe 2, I don't know, time sure flies. It's dried out now, the bark's off it. I think we're ready to do something with it. So anyway, soaking it I don't think was that big of a help. Just hitting it with the time. It sat for a while, 6 months or so before I tried to power wash it. And just hitting it with the power washer. It's kind of what got the spikes off. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me what I should do with this monster burl.